Very beautiful, and it's the Galaxy S23. That's the one I wanted. It's very beautiful, right? Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Nia. If you're new here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for the love and support. So today guys, I'll be unboxing my new cell phone that I got. My old one was giving me a lot of issues, so I wanted something a little bit better because I do use my cell phone to film. I'm not really camera savvy as yet, and until I could get myself a camera, I'll be using my cell phone because it doubles as my phone and my recording device. So yeah, so I went ahead and I got a phone, and I had them ship it out to me. I actually received the package the day before, but I decided to keep it sealed and do an unboxing for you guys. Here it is. It's closed, right? So it's the Galaxy S23. Yeah, the Galaxy S23. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox. So moving forward, you'll be seeing the unboxing, but not my face. So let's get into it. Hey guys, but I'm pretty excited to open this. So this is it. As I open it. Okay, so box is empty. Gonna put the box to the side. We're gonna put all the extra padding to the side also. Okay, so this is the tempered glass screen protector, which I ordered too. I'll situate that later, but this is it. And this is a phone case. This is a silicone case for it. I'm sure I probably have to order something else, but yeah. So this is the phone. Okay, so this is the phone, guys. Let me take this thing off. Okay, let's just use this gently. There it is. There it is, guys. So let's take it out. I guess this was just a thing that they had on the back. Oh my God. It looks so nice. So this is the lavender that I got it in, and they have something covering the screen here. Okay. Ooh. Hold on. So let me see if I could turn it on. Okay, so it's coming on. So I have to definitely remove this from the screen, right? And it's very sticky. So let me put it over here. So it's coming on, guys. Coming on. Okay, so now it's saying that welcome. It's telling me to click on start, which is already on English. So I'm going to click start. It wants me to do a review, to agree to all the necessary stuff. Okay, so I agreed. It's telling me to connect to my Wi-Fi network. I forgot my Wi-Fi password. Okay, guys. So let me get my Wi-Fi password real quick. I gotta get the password real quick, guys. I gotta write this thing down. Let me pause the video real quick. It wants me to connect to the mobile network. So let me check the package for a SIM card. Okay, put this to the side. These are some of the booklets. Open this. I don't think they sent a SIM card with it. Okay, so this will be the key for the phone, right? This is the key that comes with it. They didn't put a SIM card. I don't see any. So I'm guessing it might work without a SIM card. I don't know yet. Let's make sure I check everything. That there's nothing under here. No. Okay, so all these go to the side. And I think this is the charger cord. But they didn't they don't sell this with the base, so you have to provide your own base. That's just how it is these days, I guess. Let me continue to check these things. So this will be the case, right? I don't think I got the right color case, but it doesn't really matter. I just wanted something temporarily to protect the phone until I could do what I need to do myself, because I'll order what I like myself. So this will be the case. It's like a hunter's green. Doesn't matter. So it will be temporarily until I get what I want. And over here, we have the screen protector. I don't think they would put it in the screen protector package, so I don't know. Okay, let's see if I could. It say scan. Okay, so it wants me to put, I guess it wants me to put my old SIM card in. So I'm gonna retrieve that SIM card. I wasn't aware. I thought they told me they would send a SIM card with this one. So let me go ahead and retrieve that SIM card, and then we could continue filming. Yeah, they're very cheap. I'm telling you, they're very cheap. So cheap. But let me see. As far as it so far, I love the phone. I definitely love the phone. That's why I ordered it. But I'm not 100% satisfied. So this is it in the little case, and it's so nice. It's so nice in the case, trust me. I like it in the case. So yeah, guys, so I finished with the phone. I just have to do my smart switch right now, but I'm gonna have to use the other phone to do it, which I'm recording with right now. So here's the phone. It's very beautiful, and it's the Galaxy S23. That's the one I wanted. It's very beautiful, right? Very pretty phone. I just got this case because that's all they had, and I didn't want to have to be shuffling to get a case for it, but I'll eventually get my little fancy case or whatever. But this is good, and I have the screen protector, which I'm gonna install, but I'll do that after. But yeah, so this is it, guys. It's very beautiful. I'm just a little bit disappointed at the fact that a lot of the gadgets that should be in the box are not there. But then again, the phone companies has been scaling back on even the charger. They used to give you earpieces or headphones and stuff like that. They no longer give that. The only thing you used to pay for initially was the phone case or the screen protector. You usually get your full phone charger, and you would get what else? You would get a SIM card, you would get like the key for the phone and stuff like that. I'm a little bit bummed out because they promised to send me a SIM card, which they didn't. And the SIM card slot that they have in this phone, which I had to transfer my old SIM card to this one, it does not accommodate my memory card. So I'm without a memory card right now. So that is the issue that I'm facing currently. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the smart switch. Let me show you guys, it's already made in on the phone. It's somewhere here on the phone. Let me see if I could find it. Where's the smart switch? It's built in somewhere on here. Okay, so it's already on here. So it's built in on here. Smart switch down here. So you click the smart switch and you do whatever you need to do. So I'm going to transfer all my data from the other phone over to this. I did get a higher gigabyte in this one. I think this one was over 256 gigabyte that I got with the phone itself. So the phone memory itself is over 256 gigabyte of storage, and I needed my SIM card additionally because I film a lot of video, but I'll figure it out. I'll call them if anything, but so far the phone is beautiful. I love it. The phone is intact, it's not damaged, everything is good with it. So thank God for that. I'm very grateful, and thank you so much guys for watching this video. If there's anything you want to know, like updates, you could comment in the comment section, like the video, share it out, and watch the video to the end guys. And if I do add any more information after the smart switch, or I find out any new thing about the phone, I will definitely update you guys on that in a subsequent video. But thank you once again guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.